We are hanging out now in the My Casey Live Kitchen, now sponsored by NFM, and I am joined by the one and only Miss Vivi from Oh So Lovely blog. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Of course. Okay, so we're jumping into a really neat project that you have sitting right here in front of us. What are we about to do?
We're going to make some really cute cactuses that you can put all around your house as cute little decor.
Oh, yeah, for sure. And we've got a little example right here of what we're trying to do. Okay, so what's the first step on doing these mini cactuses?
The first step, you'll need some sort of rock. You'll need to paint it whatever shade green you want. You could do some lighter ones and darker ones.
Okay.
And then you can, this is optional, but you can also use some paint markers and do little dots, just like this one. Or even with your paint, you could do these little lines.
Yeah, I love the paint markers too, because that make it super easy to just like put those little dots on as well. Can we try putting some of this paint on there too, maybe with that paint marker?
Yes.
Okay, so I just take this like this and you just do little dots?
Yeah, you could just start dotting.
Just like this. Does it matter how many dots you throw on there?
No, you can kind of get creative with it and do it however you want.
Okay. All right. So what we have here too is the paint marker with the dots, but you can also take something like this rock over here with this balloon, and actually you don't have to paint it at all.
Yeah, if you don't want to get messy with paint, you can just cut a balloon and put it over a rock to make it look painted.
Okay.
This one is actually just a balloon.
Okay. I'm going to see if I can do this too. You said this is not super hard to do.
Yeah, not really hard, but
it might take a second to do it. We're going to give it a shot here. We're just wrapping it around. We got it. And voila. What do you think? Not what you were. This is a little different than this, I'd say. You just need to put a little extra time into it, probably. Yes. Yeah, so we'll work on that one for sure. But you also have a little pro tip here, too, because all of these rocks are in these pots, and there's a little way that you can actually save some space if you don't want to use all your rocks.
Yeah, if you don't want to use all your rocks, you can take just a Target sack or some sort of grocery bag and stuff it at the bottom, and then put your rocks over it to make it look like a...
You're filled with grocery sack, and then the rest is rocks, but you'd never know. Really cool. Okay, so do with your folks.
Yeah, some of the benefits, it's a lot safer than normal cactuses, so you don't have to worry when your little ones are around.
Getting poked.
It's also a really fun memory that you can have with your kids.
Yeah, okay, so if we wanted to add one little finishing touch to this, you have some googly eyes over here and a glue gun. Can we throw those on there too?
Yeah.
All right, so well, let me watch you work here. So we've got some googly eyes. You throw the glue on first?
Yeah.
Okay, so you do put the glue there. Bada bing. And then you just throw it on. You gotta be careful, huh? And then you throw the googly eye there too. You want to do one more?
Yeah.
One more googly eye?
And then you can also add a little bit of a smile if you want to make it a little bit more of a face.
Oh, nice. Yeah, this is like the cactus rock version of Mr. Potato Head we got working on here. All right, so we're going to do one little smiley face on there?
Sure.
You want to use this?
Yes.
All right, we'll throw a smiley face on there at the bottom there too. Just like that. And there we go. Hey, if people want to see how you did this, you've got a tutorial on your website as well, right?
Yes, I do. You're
so good at this. Did you learn all this from your mom?
Yes.
Totally believe you right there, too. Yeah, you can find more information, too, at their website. Tons of stuff as well. You can get all the supply list, full step-by-step guide, and all of Audrey and Vivienne's projects online. Just go check it out, ohsolovellyblog.com. You can also find them on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and more. Just search Oh So Lovely Blog.